What debts are dischargeable in bankruptcy to stop lawsuits? Imagine being overwhelmed by bills and feeling like there's no way out. Bankruptcy can be a way to clear some of those debts and put an end to ongoing lawsuits. When you file for bankruptcy, the court can issue a discharge, which is a legal order that wipes out certain debts. Once that order is in place, creditors are legally prevented from continuing collection efforts, including lawsuits on those debts. Most unsecured debts are dischargeable. These include credit card balances, medical bills, personal loans, utility bills, and some older tax debts. When these debts are discharged, any active lawsuits to collect them must stop immediately. No more phone calls, letters, or court actions. The discharge acts as a permanent barrier, protecting you from further legal action on those debts. However, not all debts qualify for discharge. The law specifically excludes certain types for public policy reasons. These include recent taxes, child support, alimony, most student loans, debts from fraud or intentional harm, criminal fines, and some other obligations. Even after bankruptcy, these debts stay enforceable, and lawsuits to collect them can continue. Secured debts like mortgages and car loans are treated differently. If you file for bankruptcy, your personal obligation to pay may be discharged, but the creditor still has the right to repossess or foreclose if you do not keep up with payments. If you want to keep your home or car, you usually need to continue making payments or reach an agreement with the creditor. The type of bankruptcy you file influences which debts can be discharged. Chapter 7, often called liquidation bankruptcy, generally clears most unsecured debts for individuals. Chapter 13, or reorganization bankruptcy, involves a repayment plan but can also discharge certain debts not covered under Chapter 7. To qualify for a discharge, you must meet specific requirements. These include completing credit counseling, fully disclosing your finances, and not hiding assets or committing fraud. If the court finds you failed to meet these rules, your discharge can be denied. Once the discharge order is issued, creditors must stop all collection activities. This includes phone calls, letters, wage garnishments, and lawsuits. If a creditor violates this order, you can ask the court to enforce it, which might lead to penalties against the creditor. Knowing which debts are dischargeable helps you understand how bankruptcy can stop lawsuits and give you a fresh start. If you're considering bankruptcy, talking to a qualified attorney can help clarify which debts will be wiped out and how to protect yourself from ongoing legal actions.